Okay, y'all, so this is the pineapple. This is a huge glass, so all I need is just that much. Hey, y'all. I feel like I haven't done a haul in forever. Okay, y'all, this is the 5th look, last and final. Last but not least, this is the last look of the house. Hey, y'all. Oh, my goodness, we're 1 subscriber away from 1K. I know we're going to hit 1K today. Hey, y'all. Oh, my God. I'm so happy. Oh, my goodness, y'all. Tears of joy. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I'm so grateful. I'm so thankful for y'all. Thank y'all so much. We reached 1K, 1,000 subscribers. Yay! I wish I had confetti and all that. Hey, y'all. Yes, I'm back with another haul. And I'm trying a company that I never tried before. Yes, I'm trying Savage X Fenty by Rihanna, however you want to pronounce her name. Hey, y'all. Oh, I'm so happy. My first pool day. Hey y'all, so I just got off live. I am intoxicated. Merry Christmas Eve. I don't know when y'all see this video, but I'm going to try this TikTok challenge. Oreos, I mean, you're going to have a, you're making a brownie with just Oreos and milk. So you get 4 Oreos. That's what I've seen. And this is double stuff. So I got 4 Oreos. I'm going to be mad if this doesn't work. Mess it up, my Oreos and stuff. 4 Oreos, 1/4 cup of milk. I got almond milk. Sweet and vanilla, and you put it in the microwave for 60 seconds. So what you're going to do is you're going to mash this together. Ooh. And everybody like, it's just cookies and milk, basically. A little while to mash, but it's coming together. But you want like that thick cake consistency when you're battering a cake or a brownie. Okay, y'all, I think I have the consistency where I want it. So I'm about to put it in the microwave for 60 seconds. I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so this is how it looked. I put it 60 seconds. It was still like a little watery. It wasn't like thick. So I did another 30 seconds. And it's still not how I've seen it on TikTok. But it kind of looked like brownie-ish. It looked like a brownie if you had ice cream with it already. This is going to be hot. So I got really blow. The bowl looks like piping hot. But I didn't even expect it to get this far. Who knew? Who knew? It's a brownie. If it sit a little bit more, TikTok be making me rethink my whole life. TikTok made me do it. It's a brownie. This is a brownie. Who knew? Ooh, it's hot. It's good, girl. Ooh, try it, y'all. Try it. Look. Mmm. It's a brownie. All I did was put it's cookies and milk. Like if you was dipping cookies in milk, you just mash it and put it in the microwave for 60 seconds. But it depends on the watts of your microwave. I put it on an hour and 30 seconds, and I think I could have put it in 30 more seconds. Ooh. You can't do it. Ice cream? Okay. Bye. Hey y'all, give it a twirl, give it a twirl, give it a twirl, give it a twirl. Because it's too stinking cute, and it's too stinking cute, and it's too stinking cute, because it's too stinking cute. Ciao.